Welcome to day 3 of the Samoa series. Today you're going to see to-sua trench swimming hole and Alufua right here, which is my grandparents' house in Samoa. A little story time for you guys. I'm pretty sure it's this tree, but my mom told us of a story of how she climbed to the top of it to grab a mango, and then she slipped and fell all the way down, and she was unconscious and a stick went through her chin. And whilst all of this was happening and she was in pain, her sister ate the mango that she climbed up and fell for. Mama, is this your school?
Nice, this is my school. This is my school. And we used to play here and we used to cut the grass with a knife. These people are go down here to that village, that's Elemeke's grandma's village. That wow.
Why is it dangerous?
Because all this way up to the sea. Oh. And some people, drown. Why, look at the way, look. Yeah.
I was gonna say this if it's tiny. Oh, that's beautiful. Of course it's raining when we come here. So this is to-sua trench. Where's Mama going? My grandfather, he always said he wanted to come to to-sua Trench but never had the opportunity. He said his goal was to go and visit before he died. He's 75 years old and made the massive trek down the scary ladder.
Here you go.
That's so cool.
Turn on your back. You alright?
Good.
Got a little fire.
How deep can we go? 'Cause you're pulling me straight down. I'm used to all the pressure.
What the fuck?
But you know I'm not the same. Say go, we can swim.
The number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
I'm so alive. Baby, it hurts.
Can you loosen this? It's really... Yes, please. I fucked my quote.
So alive. Baby, it hurts. Don't there ain't no doubt. Don't there. Took you in like a child.
I'm really upset because this is really good footage. Like, this cliff is really cool, the view's really good, but on the left, if you can see all those black rocks, it's another part of this land, and it's actually so nice. Like, you go to the left and then there's these stairs that go all the way down, and there's so many crabs, and I sat on that reef kind of rock mountain, I don't know what to call it. I sat on it by myself and it was just so nice. I sat there for probably like 30 minutes. But my GoPro battery died, so I didn't even get to videotape it. It's in my memories, in my head, but I wish you guys could see it too. But that just means that you have to go to Samoa if you want to see it. So, a little hidden gem for you. This place is actually 20 Tala, which is a bit expensive, but because it's around 40 Australian per person. You can see it on the sign that I videotaped earlier in the video, but yeah, it's quite expensive, but because the grounds are really nice, it's maintained really well, there's well-functioning toilets, and there's 2 areas you can go to, the main trench to swim, and then that other reef part that I was talking about that I forgot to videotape. But this place is the main attraction in Samoa. It's the one place that you must go to if you do go to Samoa. That's been day 3 in Samoa. Like and subscribe.